In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lens transition in CapCut Desktop. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program launches, you can either create a new project if you're starting fresh, or open an existing project if you already have one in progress. Either option works, as long as you have footage ready to edit. Next, add 2 or more video clips to the timeline. Since transitions are used to connect one clip to another, you'll need at least 2 clips in place before you can apply the effect. After importing your footage, make sure the clips are positioned right next to each other on the timeline with no gaps in between. This is important because if there's empty space between the clips, the transition may not apply correctly or may not look smooth during playback. Once your clips are aligned, go to the top toolbar and click on Transitions. This will open the transition library, where CapCut organizes different transition styles into categories. From the left panel, click the Lens category. This section includes transitions designed to create a camera-like or optical effect, which can give your edit a more dynamic and polished look. Now take a moment to browse the available lens transitions. As you look through the options, choose the one that best fits the style and pacing of your video. When you find a transition you want to use, select it. If it hasn't been installed yet, click the download icon and wait for the download to finish. This usually only takes a moment, but it's important to let it complete before trying to apply the transition. After the transition is ready, click the plus button to add it, or simply drag the lens transition directly between the 2 clips on your timeline. Then wait for it to appear in place. Once it's visible on the timeline, click on the transition itself to select it. At this stage, you can adjust the transition duration if needed. A shorter duration creates a faster, snappier change between clips, while a longer duration can feel smoother and more dramatic. Choose a timing that matches the rhythm of your edit. When you're done, click the play button to preview the transition. Watch closely to make sure it flows naturally from one clip to the next and fits the overall tone of your project. If everything looks good, that confirms the lens transition has been successfully applied.